Keep watching. Almost there. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you the swamp. I plan on doing a video there and having a lot of fun. Hello, Dave here. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So here's the swamp. I've been playing in it a little bit. I got back out there to about that first tree on the left, and I started to get water going up over the floorboards. I got my shoes soaking wet, so I came back forward. I've been backing in case I get stuck. The winch is on the front. There's plenty of anchor points around here. I have a 35-foot tow strap as well. I'm not going to do anything with it real soon. Turns out I degloved my pinky with a log splitter, and I can't even get this Band-Aid wet, let alone this dirty water. I don't want to risk getting an infection.